This is where most $300 robot vacuums fail. Carpet. Today we're testing how a budget robot vacuum actually performs on real carpet. No ads. No hype. Just a real test. First, low pile carpet. This is the easiest scenario for any robot vacuum. You can see it moves smoothly, but it already leaves some debris behind. Now let's step it up. Medium pile carpet. Here's where suction really matters. The robot slows down, misses fine dirt, and struggles to lift debris trapped deeper in the fibers. And finally, thick carpet. This is the real challenge. The robot keeps moving, but cleaning efficiency drops fast. Some dirt stays visible even after multiple passes. So, is a $300 robot vacuum good for carpet? For light cleaning, yes. For deep carpet cleaning, not really. It works best as a maintenance tool, not a full replacement for a traditional vacuum. If you want to check current prices and detailed reviews, I've linked everything in a pinned comment. Buy smart and save your money.